Hey guys, welcome to Canadian Parinde. So there is a change in plan now, and the new plan is to rather start looking for a new construction home. Hoping this video could help you if you are in a process of new construction home and know about the things you should keep in mind while looking for one. We started looking for new build builders in our city, and it came up with so many options: Dune Creek, Grand View Home, Fusion Home, Activa, Matinee Home. And then while going into each one of them, we figured out which area are they actually going to build up their next phase. From the list of builder, we came to Fusion Home, which is a renowned builder in our city. And for the sake of this video, we're gonna stick to this builder and show you the things we actually like about this builder. And in fact, we went to one of the area where they have a model home. Oh my god, they were damn beautiful. So stay tuned till the end of the video. We're gonna show you how the model homes actually look inside. As most of you guys already know, we have been helping our friends offline looking for their very first home, and they did put an offer to at least 3 of them, but you know, with this tough market, there is so many offers coming in. Unfortunately, they haven't been successful. So there is a change in plan now, and the new plan is to rather start looking for a new construction home. So after selecting the builder, we went to their website, going into community to figure out what area they are going to come up with their next phase. And we find in Kitchener, they are gonna come up with Wollaston community. I hope I pronounce it right. The great perk of going to their website at home saves lots of time, and plus it gives you insight what kind of home are they building. Are they just gonna build up a 30 feet lot or 36, or probably do they have a new townhouses coming up as well? So we will recommend, it's a great way to start your research with. Definitely go to builder's website to find what kind of houses have they built so far. If you're new into a market and wondering how to start looking for a resale house, we got you covered in the past. I'm gonna put a link to that video in description box below for you guys. The great thing about the Fusion Home, we find there are a whole lot of different models on the website that they actually build along with the pricing, which is great. Not many builders do that, releasing the price of their homes on the website. So currently from their website, either they are building 36 or 40 feet long, and going by our friend's budget, of course 36 make more sense. When I'm gonna filter it with 36, I came up with so many options, but we have to be restricted with the square feet. He's looking for anything under 2000. That leaves us with 2 options, Oxford Fort and Manchester Fort. Let's look into these houses now. On clicking Oxford Fort, we came to a page where I can see the base prices, the minimum expected upgrades. Of course, that may vary depending upon your choice. And the cool part is here I can see, based upon the down payment, how much will be my monthly mortgage. That's interesting, huh? The first thing we always look into a layout is the entrance to the basement. If there is a provision to have a separate entrance to the basement, that will give you an edge of renting it down the line. So always keep that in mind. From the layout, the major thing you will get to know is how is the kitchen. Is that an open concept kitchen, giving you some privacy to the dining room. Of course, kitchen is not clean all the time. And how is the layout of your master bedroom and other bedrooms on the second floor. Now going into details of floor plan is the topic for next video. Stay tuned, we'll come up with that soon. The next thing we did for them is register online with this builder, just to get to know as soon as they are coming up with their next community, bam, we will be getting a notification, and we will be one of the person who are getting invite to come and put an offer for the new build. Apart from the online registration, it's always great if you can go to that community or look around the neighborhood, look at the amenities available near around the school, the park, nearby bus stop, because that's gonna actually make you more confident whether or not you want to buy your house here. In case you guys are wondering where is man of the house, well, he's busy with a bigger responsibility right now because Ashia is teething and she's in a phase where she needs constantly one of us. So this time of the hour, he's upstairs. The next thing we're going to do is call the builder, take an appointment to visit the sales center and to look at the model home. Today we are at Sales Center, and in just few seconds I'm gonna show you guys the community plan that builder has designed. Here the area in blue that you are looking at is the future town center. That's the future school which is planned to be constructed. That's the phase 1 that has been sold early this year, and for each and every community there is a pond that builder designed. Let us show you briefly on this board. So from here you will get a pretty much idea what kind of models are building on what lot and which are the upcoming future lots. They also have this amenity board to show what's in the surrounding. I think let's go inside into a model home now. This house has a combination of white and black, and that house has a combination of white and golden.
What an amazing house, right? All white. Look at the ceiling. These are cathedral ceilings.
I'm not biased toward buying a new build, but let me tell you, the beauty of a new build is that you get to have lots and lot of big windows that you may not be getting in the older houses. While Deepak was enjoying so much sitting downstairs, I was more than excited to actually go upstairs and see what more this house has to offer. Guys, just like a resale house, never ever fall into a staging of a model home, and the factor that make you say wow, make sure to double check with the builder. Probably those are not gonna be included in the standard. This is another great room. It's a sunlight facing. Oh my god, look at the decor. I love the big wall, the mirror wall. It's so nice. So this is a Jack and Jill because this bathroom is attached to 2 bedrooms, one's here and another one here.
So one thing that you know, guys, note here is the ceilings are 9 feet tall. So this is not very common because most of the time builders give 8 feet tall ceilings, and if you want to get a 9 feet tall ceiling, they probably charge like 15 to 20 grand.
Don't forget to let us know what kind of house are you targeting. Are you a person looking for a townhouse, detached, semi-detached? We would love to hear that for our future videos. So the trend has completely changed. Nowadays, bathroom has more luxury than actually the bedroom. Look at the bathroom.
Exactly.
You won't feel like to go anywhere but to stay in the bathroom only. And you know what? This is a true saying. The lighting is the jewelry of the house. The better they are, the more good looking your house will be.
Yeah, so that's why it's like whenever you move into a house, replace those old light fixtures the builder install and have some goo, spend some money on the lighting. It's gonna look much better.
We always go to model home with 2 intentions. First, to get inspired for the interior, and second, to look around the upgrade and check, is that really worth spending that extra grants? Somehow my cameraman is really running very fast. Alrighty, the purpose here is just to show you guys the layout of the model home to get a better understanding of the floor map. So guys, this is enough for today's video. We're gonna see you very soon. Till then, you take very good care of yourself, and don't forget to let us know how you like this video in the comments below. Bye.